Vegavis is a genus of extinct bird that lived during the Late Cretaceous, Maastrichtian stage, of Antarctica, some 68 to 66 million years ago. Among modern birds, most studies show that Vegavis is most closely related to ducks and geese, Anatidae, but it is not considered to be a direct ancestor of them, although other studies question these results. Vegavis was initially considered to be a member of Anseriformes within Galloanserae, but this claim has not been supported by some recent studies. The genus name, Vegavis, is a combination of the name of Vega Island and avis, the Latin word for bird, while the species name, iaai, is after the acronym for Instituto Antartico Argentino, the Argentine scientific expedition to Antarctica. The holotype is held by the Museo de la Plata, Argentina. The specimen, catalogued as, was found in 1993 from the Lopez de Berdodano Formation at Cape Lam on Vega Island, Antarctica, and was first thought to be an indeterminate presbornithid. It was only described as a new species in 2005, because it consists of the very delicate remains of one bird embedded in a concretion, which had to be meticulously prepared for study. CT scans were utilized to gain a clearer picture of the bone structure without running danger of damaging or destroying the fossil. A second specimen was found beside the holotype specimen. It was preserved in 3 dimensions, so CT scans were again utilized to visualize the intact syrinx of this specimen. The syrinx has an asymmetrical third segment, suggesting that Vegavis had 2 sources of sound in the neck and along with large soft tissue resonating structures. This indicates that it was likely capable of honxes in ducks, geese, and other basal neognaths. In 2019, a potential specimen was referred to as Vegavis. Vegavis was a bird with a high metabolism, which allowed it to live at high latitudes in Antarctica. It also shows a degree of osteosclerosis, a condition shared with polar arnies. This different degrees of osteosclerosis could be related to variations in diving behavior. Vegavis has been previously thought to be a member of the stem group Anseriformes within Galloanserae, indicating that representatives of some of the groups of modern birds lived in the Mesozoic. However, some paleontologists questioned its affinities to Galloanserae and even its classification as a neornithine bird. MC Lachlan et al. 2017, considered the family Vegavidae to be stem group birds within Ornithuri. Mayer et al. 2018, claimed that comparison of the plesiomorphic traits of the pterygoid and the mandible does not seem to firmly establish Anseriform or Galloanserae affinities for Vegavidae. Field et al. 2020, considered Vegavis to be either a sister taxon to the Neornithes outside the crown group birds, or as a taxon at the base of Neognathae with an unresolved position. While other researchers have recovered Vegavis as a neornithine, they did not consider it to be a member of Anseriformes or Galloanserae, since they cannot find any diagnostic traits of those clades. In contrast, Vegavis was recovered as a sister taxon of Anatidae or Anseriformes based on phylogenetic analysis in 2024. Discovery. The first fossils were discovered in the 1990s on Vega Island in the James Ross Basin of Antarctica. Fossils of Vegavis were found on Vega Island in Antarctica in 1992. The specimen is housed at the Argentine Antarctic Institute. Its name reflects its discovery site, Vega Island, in the Institute's acronym. In 2005, paleontologists led by Julia Clark and Luis Guillot published the analysis of these fossils, formally naming the species Vegavis. Significance. It is one of the earliest known examples of Neornithes, the group that includes all modern birds. Its classification within Anseriformes, ducks, geese, and swans, supports the hypothesis that modern bird groups were already diversifying before the mass extinction event. Vegavis provides evidence that modern bird ancestors survived the asteroid impact that caused the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. Environment and behavior. In likely inhabited coastal or freshwater environments, similar to modern waterfowl. Vegavis probably fed on aquatic plants, small invertebrates, or fish, although this remains speculative. Physical characteristics. Vegavis II was a relatively small bird, likely similar in size to modern ducks or geese. Fossil evidence includes partial skeletons, including bones from the shoulder girdle and limbs. CT scans revealed features in the syrinx, voice box, that suggest it could produce sounds similar to modern waterfowl. Significance. Evolutionary insights. The discovery of Vegavis supports the hypothesis that modern bird lineages, Neornithes, diversified before the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. It provides a direct link between ancient birds and their modern descendants. Ecological role. Likely an aquatic bird, Vegavis inhabited environments near rivers, lakes, or coastal areas in Antarctica, which was warmer during the Cretaceous. Paleobiogeography. Its Antarctic discovery highlights the diverse distribution of birds during the Cretaceous and suggests that regions now inhospitable were once rich in avian life. Extinction. Vegavis became extinct during or shortly after the KPG extinction event, which wiped out about 75% of Earth's species, including non-avian dinosaurs. The discovery of Vegavis has significantly advanced our understanding of bird evolution and the survival of avian lineages through one of Earth's most catastrophic mass extinction events.